power has gotten even stronger. Chisaki said she doesn't know how to stop her quirk.
Why doesn't anybody see the big picture?
Shut up!
I'll beat her!
I'm going to tear down this entire world, destroy its very foundation.
If I can't save Eri, one small child who's relying on me to help her, a hero who saves everybody!
Never compromise. Not even in the face of Armageddon. Kill him, Runt.
Where is he? Night-Eye?
But I saw it. Chisaki succeeded and escaped.
What the fuck is that?
That's who I'm gonna be!
Oh my god, he's dead!
An immutable future. I saw it so clearly. But this is new.
Fate.
Even if it's already been decided, even if it's set in stone, I'll smash that future!
Well, dude, I think we've all learned something special here today.
What's that?
Don't fuck with Pookie. He will, he'll kill you. He'll bend you over and stick it in your...
What?